We're going to the beach today. It is a beach day. We're trying to find some red stripe. Oh my gosh. So many choices. Look at this. Don't you love it? Victoria is my favorite Mexican beer. Oh my god, are we allowed in here? Oh, it's cold. Are you sure? I feel like we're trespassing right now. But they probably don't have cold red stripe. Come on, let's go. Let's go in the aisle. I feel like we're gonna get in trouble. Okay, well, let's keep. No, I've seen it out here somewhere. Maybe down here? It's like right around here. Oh, right here. I don't have 12 packs. Oh, we found it. Oh wait, I wanted to see the other side of your head. Oh my god, see? Now she has black hair. Now it's red. Dude, that's a bit of a 12 pack. We found the red stripe. Taping that. I missed it. Michelle almost dropped the 12 pack of red stripe. Ice. Oh, where is it? Ice. I think it's on the front. Ice. Okay. We're leaving Total Wine now. I'm carrying the beer because Michelle almost dropped it while we were in there. She has the ice. And now we're on our way to the beach to meet up Tracy. Just made it to Paradise Cove. Yay! Looks so nice out here. Malibu, California. Love it. Hopefully there's a beach party waiting for me down there. I brought my cooler full of beer. Okay, we finally made it to the beach and we found Tracy. Woo! Yay! Oh my, I can't see anything. Okay. There we go. Made it to the beach. We're at Paradise Cove. This is my good friend Tracy. I've known her for years. Met in college. Okay. First college friend. Look at your glasses. They're so cute. Isn't she? Look at how... I die every time I see her. Can't forget your sunblock. Ah! Oh shit. Did I just spray the camera? Okay. That's good enough. Oh my god, why can't I open the cooler? It's a nice day for the beach. You guys want to watch me pop this beer open with a lighter? I'm going to teach you guys how to pop the top off with a lighter. So you place the lighter at this angle, you put your hand over it, and then you push down, and it pops the top off. Oh, one more try.
Are you buzzed at all or no? Let me tell you about the bird migration.
When the rufous hummingbird
The root, see the yellow? You know that they're migrating.
North America to South America.
California girls, gotta love them. Unless they're tourists, because I mean I don't really look like that. Okay, so Tracy handed me this bottle of Dream Angel's Heavenly Shimmer Body Lotion, and I'm gonna do a first impression. Ready? Here are my big fat thighs. Rubbing it in. Wow. I don't see any shimmers. Oh, I see it. There it is. I see the shimmer. Maybe I need more. Maybe I need some more.
The sun has to shine.
Okay.
It's all over. I see the shimmer.
Oh, I see the shimmer. I think I like it, guys. I think I like it. Okay. Ooh. Okay. So thumbs up on the Dream Angel's Heavenly Shimmer body lotion. Smells good. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe I should do some on my chest now so I can match with my legs.
Yes, you do. That means you're beautiful.
Yeah. Okay.
Jenna's right.
Here we go. Yes. Now I feel like a real California girl.
You look like Edward.
I look like Edward. I look like Edward from Twilight now.
No, damn, I look like guns. Let's think about it.
Look at Tracy's guns. Where's Tracy? I can't see. Not Tracy. Let me see your guns.
Tracy was like classy, like a great guy.
Got it. I'm all shimmery now. I'm shimmery.
Oh my goodness, you're so shimmery.
I don't even know if I'm getting myself on camera.
I want more sparkles.
I want to wash my hands again.
You are so sparkly.
But I want more sparkles.
She wants more sparkle. Let's watch her sparkle. Yes, yes, give it to me.
Today, we have identified the herring gull as well as the American coot.
Where are they? They're flying around here somewhere. Where is it? Oh, it's gliding. Yes, give it to me. Give it to me. Oh, you know, just an afternoon of hanging out at the beach and identifying the seagulls.
As she reads a bird book. You look so sophisticated. You look so sophisticated right
Reading
now.
about Tracy's favorite bird,
What is it called?
American Kessler.
Oh, there's dolphins. Everyone's getting excited because there's dolphins out there. Oh no! Such a beautiful day at the beach. We're about to play a game of Cards Against Humanity extension pack. I don't know what that means. It's my first time playing. Should be interesting. There's a spot in my lens that I need to clean off. Okay, so my really good friend Tracy, she's super hot. She hulas. So we're gonna go get her hula-ing and doing her thing. She's so beautiful. I am so jealous of this freaking chick right here. Like, you guys don't even know. Oh my god, this is so cold. It's so cold.
Okay.
You know what? I think it's still good.
Yeah.
Dude, you know what? I saved my phone. Oh my god. My camera's still recording. Wow.
Oh my god. Ow, it hit my foot. Okay, so what happened? That was a boogie board?
What had happened was there was a boogie board that had washed up with the wave, and it took Joanie's legs out from underneath her.
exercise.
It's hard, yeah.
I'm like breathing hard over here from hulaing for like a minute and a half.
Hurt, you're not doing it right.
That's good.
Yeah, look, the bite mark's right there.
Ow!
See, I would have got her like right here.
Successful beach day with the homies.
With the homies.
Yeah.
With Tracy.
Yeah.
And her man for the first time. Woo,
And Tracy's ass made an appearance. Couple times.
Yeah, I mean, it's only been 3 years.
Couple times.
First year
Great
here.
beach day. Great beach day. Great beach day. I fell in the water. I can't wait to see the footage of me falling in the fucking water. Hey guys, we had a successful beach day today. I fell. I hulaed. We hung out with Kyle and Tracy and Michelle, and the sun's going down. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please leave me a comment below. Give me some suggestions. What do you guys want to see? Like, I do a bunch of random things all of the time, so I can vlog it like I did today. I'm sorry, my throat's a little raspy today, but we had a great time. It was so much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll talk to you guys later, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!